Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us or email us at any time. Come on up and let's check this beauty out. As you look across the front, you can see that the body has always been well cared for. You can also see that it has hidden headlights that are working. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see there's an excellent fit of all the panels. Come on up and let's check out the inside of this beauty. It's done in the buckskin color combo that accents the Corvette orange perfectly. The dash is in great condition with the gauges working as they should. You'll also notice that this car has a factory AC. As we come around, we can see that the seats are in excellent condition along with the carpet. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. You'll also notice the flat back glass, which was offered for the last year on this model Corvette. We can see the rear bumper has no signs of being abused, and that all of the taillights are very nice. It also comes with the luggage racks, along with having T-tops that are in excellent condition along with the seals around them. As we make our way on the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so we can check out the stance on this Corvette. As you look it over, you'll notice that this Corvette orange paint has a gorgeous finish and does an excellent job showing off the body in this 77. It's accented by the rocker molding that is in great condition as well, and to finish it off is sitting on the rally wheels with Viper Radial GT Tires. Now that we've made our way around the exterior, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As you can see, everything is in great condition. It's powered by the 327 V8 engine that's set up with the polished valve covers and the correct style air cleaner. Along with being a factory AC car, it has power steering and power brakes with disc on all four corners. When you look under it all, the floors and the frame look original and are in excellent condition. It had a 350 turbo trans and correct rear end. For exhaust, it has manifolds with cat, Y-pipe, and rear mufflers with rear exiting tips. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Corvette with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.